Here on with our analysis. So the next pair it is British pound, Japanese yen. As you can see, um, as you know, my strategy it is 80% fundamental, where I dive deep into political events, and I also touch base with economical events and the economical data before they release a month after, a week after. I do the analysis, looking at benchmarking the previous data with the upcoming data so that I can make consensus and try to predict what will be the rough estimation forecast for the upcoming data in order to get better volatility towards my momentum direction. With that, it's coupled with the entry model, which is 20% of my overall system strategy. And right now, we're going to dive deep to British pound and Japanese yen using my entry model. Right, so start with denoting and indicating the price floors and price ceilings. As you can see PF and PC, so it's price floor, price ceiling, price floor, price ceilings. Right, so once I get all my price floors and price ceilings in place, then the next thing is to identify the price clutters. As you can see from the previous week, these are the price clusters that are being formed within this pair as it moves to the upward momentum, and the last close price was at 195.056. Below it there was an expansion level that was formed, which created a expansion zone above it, and the price on its way down it created a equilibrium level for this leg and started from contraction level, and this is a contraction zone. Right, from this leg, as you can see, there is a dumping zone that formed while the price was moving to downward momentum. Right, so with price flow and price ceiling that was last formed, there was a price depreciation and appreciation levels that were formed. So if the price is within the expansion zone, I'm looking for a buy, but I need the confirmation first. So the confirmation will be the price breaking the appreciation level, testing the dumping zone, breaking the dumping zone, coming down back, retest the price clutter, then going to the upward direction. And that will be my entry for next week. I'll be looking for something like this. Once the price I see it shifted the next leg, which is the upward momentum, and I'll be looking for 1 is to 2. And then 1 is to 2, once I get to 1 is to 1, I go break even. Then when it moves 1 is to 2, I go 1 is to 1, and I manage my money as it goes to what my direction in that particular steps. Right, so if there is any fundamental or political events that will change the momentum of this pair and it end up going to the downward direction, I also want to see the price breaking the depreciation level, retesting collecting zone, and collect on a collecting zone and break the collecting zone. Once break this collecting zone, I'll be looking for sells, putting my stop loss above the depreciation level, watching the price what is going to react in this collecting zone, because sometimes it can go to the collecting zone and bounce back, go into the upward direction. So that's a key zone for me that I'll be monitoring. Once it break this key zone, then I'll be looking for a price to bounce from a price clutter, and then I'll do the other entry model analysis as soon as the price get to the price clutter to the downward movement, and then I'll be looking for reversing of the price or the price going to the downward momentum. All right, so that's that for this pair. Let us trade, let us make money.